Hi, I'm Domingo, the account rep for Voyage Employer Services, back with another helpful guide on the W-4 form. Today we're talking about Step 2. This section is called Multiple Jobs or Spouse Works. Now you're going to want to complete this section anytime you have more than one income that will be reported on the same tax return, as is in the case when you file single or married filing separately and you work more than one job during the same period throughout the year. Or if you file married filing jointly and you and your spouse both work. Now, why is this so important? Because the IRS calculates your income taxes based on your total worldwide income, not each job separately. If you skip this step, then each job's payroll department will only withhold taxes based on the income from that job. They have no way of knowing your full earnings. This means you could end up underpaying if Step 2 isn't filled out properly. And what can happen? That can lead to an unexpected tax bill when you file. Now that you know how important this section is, let's go through it in more detail to ensure your withholding is accurate. There are 3 ways to calculate and report your multiple incomes accurately. Option A is to use the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator, and you can find that at www.irs.gov/W4 app. Now this is the option I recommend everyone use whether you have multiple jobs or not. Why? Because it'll give you the most accurate estimate. And not only will this tool help you with Section 2, but it'll show you how to fill out all 5 sections of the form. All you need to do is enter the information such as your income and tax withholding to date, so make sure you have your most recent pay stubs available when you go to use the tool. It can even help determine if you're eligible for some of the most common deductions and tax credits. At the very end, the tax withholding estimator will give you your results like this example here. It's very thorough. The first part's going to show you your expected tax withholding and your anticipated tax obligation for the year. And it can even provide you with a projected refund amount, if any, based on the info you entered. Then it'll guide you on how to fill out each section of the W-4 form from beginning to end. Now here's a important reminder. This tool depends on the accuracy of the information you provide. So take it easy, go slow if you need to when filling out this form. Remember, it's well worth your time. And if you feel that you need some extra help, as always, make sure to reach out to your tax professional for assistance. Now let's look at the other 2 options for filling out Section 2 of the W-4 form. Option B is to use the multiple jobs worksheet on pages 3 and 4 of the W-4 form. If you're a person that's comfortable with manual calculations, this worksheet breaks down the math and helps you see how the extra withholding is actually determined. Option C is to simply check the box in Step 2, line C, but only if there are exactly 2 jobs total. This option takes the least amount of time, but it can also be the least accurate in certain situations, so make sure to read the options thoroughly before deciding which option to use. Now let's recap. It's important to fill out Section 2 if you have more than one job at the same time during the year, or you and your spouse both work and you file married filing jointly. Completing this step helps you avoid a surprise tax bill, and we can all avoid that stress if possible. I highly recommend using the free IRS Tax Withholding Estimator at www.irs.gov/W4 app. You can do it either with yourself or with a trusted advisor. You're going to benefit and learn so much from the process, and then you can impress your friends and family with your newfound knowledge at office or dinner parties. I hope this helps clarify how to correctly fill out the Step 2 of the W-4. Thank you for watching. In our next video, we're going to cover Step 3 of the W-4 form and explain how to account for dependents and other credits. As always, click, comment, and follow if you enjoy this content so you can know when we post the next video. See you next time.